Welcome to our channel. If you want to build a strong credit history, follow these step-by-step instructions to establish creditworthiness and access better financial products. Step 1. Understand what credit history is. A record of how you've borrowed and repaid money over time. Lenders use this history to evaluate your reliability and determine whether to approve you for loans, credit cards, or mortgages. Step 2. Start with a student credit card or secured credit card if you're new to credit. These cards are designed for people with limited history and offer an accessible entry point to building credit. Step 3. Use your credit card responsibly by making small purchases that you can afford to pay off completely each month. This demonstrates that you can manage credit without accumulating debt. Step 4. Pay your balance in full every month to avoid interest charges while building positive payment history. Consistent on-time payments are the most important factor in establishing excellent credit. Step 5. Report your rent and utility payments to credit bureaus through services like Experian Boost or Rental Karma. These services can add positive payment history that might not otherwise appear on your credit reports. Step 6. Take out a small personal loan or credit builder loan and repay it according to schedule. This adds installment loan history to your credit profile, which diversifies your credit mix. Step 7. Avoid closing your oldest credit accounts, as the age of your credit history matters. Keep these accounts active with small occasional purchases to maintain their positive contribution to your credit profile. Step 8. Monitor your credit reports regularly through annualcreditreport.com to track your progress, identify errors, and ensure all positive payment history is being accurately reported. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.